What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're jumping into the Confettis, the sound of C. No idea where it's going to take us. Shout out to Sandra for the request. I appreciate it. Let's jump in, check it out together. If you enjoy it, get over it, show the original poster, all the love of the world. Yorgos Milonas. Let's go on a journey.
This is a sound of sea. This is a sound of sea, the sound which creates a new dimension. This is a new style of music. This is a sound.
You really feel like you're coming in on the like on the new discovery or something. The sound of sea. It really even sounds kind of mysterious.
Style of music. This is a sound of sea. This is a sound of sea. This is a sound of sea. This is a sound of sea.
Welcome to the movement.
This is a sound of sea, the sound which creates a new dimension. This is a new style of music. This is a sound of sea. This is a sound of sea.
Contagious. Look at. Oh, it's fabulous. You done created a whole street party. Oh yeah, we gotta get them out. It went from street party to prison break awfully fast.
This is a sound of sea, the sound which creates a new dimension. This is a new style of music.
They had a damn blast making that. I don't even know. Well, I gotta do some damn research. That's just 9 years ago, but I feel like it had to been older than that. The sound of sea. When did it come out? I'm genuinely curious. 1988. By the Belgian new beat band Confettis. I know. It had to been brand new. Like it had to been something that made people stop and go, "What the hell is going on?" And it seemed like it created the movement. Y'all can fill me in on all of the backstory to it. Definitely new and fresh in my mind. Something like I feel like I just walked into a place that I didn't know about before, and everyone's kind of staring at you like, "Oh, you've never been here." Get over, show Confettis all the love of the world. Go show your ghost Milonas the love. I definitely appreciate the request. Shout out again to Sandra. Hit the like button if you liked it. The dislike button, but it won't believe you. Tell the next one of my combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe, but let me to the moon and back. Peace.